The iPhone 17 Pro is a beauty, but let's be real. It needs protection. From slim clear covers that show off its design to rugged cases built for heavy drops, Amazon is packed with options. We've rounded up 15 of the best iPhone 17 Pro cases you can grab right now, each offering something special in protection, style, or features. Let's check them out. The UAG Civilian case combines rugged protection with sleek design. It uses a triple-shot overmold plus hypercush soft core and a hexagon impact pattern to absorb shock. Offers up to 20 feet drop protection and meets 3 times MILSTD 810G military drop test standards. It has a MagSafe compatible built-in magnet module so wireless charging and magnetic accessories align securely. Raised edges protect screen and camera, and the sides have an anti-slip traction grip. Available in colors like black, olive drab, mallard, and limited edition orange. Compared to bulkier armor-style cases, this one stays slimmer while still being highly protective. The TAURI clear case offers a crystal clear back panel made with anti-yellowing PC/TPU mix, so it keeps your iPhone's original color visible for longer. It adds raised edges around the screen and camera to protect from scratches and minor impacts. There's military-grade drop protection at corners to absorb shock. It's slim and lightweight with a grip-friendly texture on the sides for better handling. What makes it stand out is its clarity plus solid protection. Many clear cases yellow quickly or get scratches. Tori tries to avoid those issues. This case gives you serious protection with useful extras. It's built with hybrid materials, hard polycarbonate back plus shock-absorbing TPU edges, reinforced corners, and meets MILSTD drop standards 15 feet for toughness. It includes a sturdy kickstand that lets you prop the phone in both portrait and landscape modes. Raised lips protect the camera and screen edges from direct contact with surfaces. The case also features textured grip on sides so it won't slip easily. What makes this case different is the built-in kickstand plus rugged drop protection combo while still keeping usable feel rather than being a full armored block. The ESR Cybert Tough magnetic case gives your iPhone 17 Pro heavy-duty protection with a 3-layer build combining a hard polycarbonate shell, impact-absorbing TPE, and a pour-on inner lining. It survives drops up to 23 feet thanks to reinforced air guard corners, raised lips around the screen, and a 2.4mm camera guard that doubles as a kickstand. The case features a strong MagSafe magnet ring, so wireless chargers and magnetic accessories stay secure. Colors include black, navy blue, space gray, pink, olive green, and more. The Mkeke clear case keeps things simple but solid. It has a clear anti-yellowing back panel so your iPhone's original color shows through, and bumper corners that absorb shocks. Protection includes a raised bezel around the screen and camera to prevent scratches. The material is a mix of clear hard plastic and flexible TPU for the edges. It doesn't have flashy extras, but its strength is in clarity, plus basic military-grade drop protection at a budget price. Best if you want visibility plus protection without bulk or gimmicks. The Taurus Ostand Q3 Air mixes style with serious protection. It has Air Max airbag corners, a semi-transparent back so the phone color shows through, and an aluminum ring stand and back which rotates and doubles as a grip or stand. It resists drops from around 13 feet. Raised lips protect the screen and camera, plus dot matrix texture on sides for better grip. Comes in colors like Shadow Black, Glacier Sprint, Deep Blue, Cosmic Orange. What makes it special is the ring stand plus the balance between rugged protection and light, stylish design. FireNova's magnetic case protects well with a raised bezel around both screen and camera to block scratches. It has a strong MagSafe compatible magnetic ring so accessories and chargers stay aligned. The sides are made of shock-absorbing flexible material, and the back is hard enough to resist scuffs. Includes an integrated silicone camera control button, comes in clear or subtly tinted colors so you can still show off your iPhone's design. It's not super bulky. What makes it special is the anti-scratch plus camera control combo, plus decent drop protection at a budget price. The Tennifly case wallet is a folio-style case combining phone protection plus wallet storage. It has a tough TPU inner shell to absorb shock, plus a synthetic leather front flap to shield the screen. Inside the flap are card slots so you can carry cards and maybe some cash. Raised edges around screen and camera protect from scratches when placed on flat surfaces. It also works as a kickstand when the front cover is folded back. Color options tend to be classic ones like black or brown. What sets it apart is the full cover front flap plus wallet plus stand combo. Good if you want a one-piece case that does everything. The Dexnor case delivers heavy-duty protection packed with features. It has a built-in sliding camera cover to guard lenses and a front screen frame to keep the display safe. The case also includes a strong built-in kickstand for hands-free viewing. Materials include rugged PC back plus TPU, bumper edges for shock absorption. Raised bezels around the camera and screen increase scratch resistance. It supports magnetic accessories and is shockproof. What makes it stand out is its sliding camera cover plus dual protection screen frame plus bumper all-in-one rugged design. The classic hybrid gives good protection without hiding your iPhone's looks. It's a clear back with colored trim, using a mix of acrylic and polycarbonate, plus air guard corners to survive drops up to 11 feet. The case is about 1.5 millimeters thin, has raised edges to guard screen and lenses from scratches. It also includes ESR's camera control cover, MagSafe magnetic ring, and a stash stand built into the camera guard so you can prop it up. The Temdan triangle stand case gives solid protection with a dual-layer shell, a hard polycarbonate outer frame plus shock-absorbing TPU edges. It includes a triangle kickstand built into the back so you can prop your phone for hands-free viewing. The case supports MagSafe thanks to a built-in magnetic ring. It has raised lips around the camera and screen to guard against scratches. Finish is translucent matte in black or light-tinted colors to keep things low-key. What makes it special is the invisible stand. It doesn't mess up the slim profile and hides nice when not in use. The UAG Pathfinder gives rugged protection without too much bulk. It has an ultra-lightweight armor shell, impact-resistant frame with reinforced corners, plus an inner hex pattern core that absorbs shocks. Drop protection is rated for about 18 feet and it meets 3 times military drop test standards. It's MagSafe ready with a built-in magnetic module and works with most wireless chargers. Extras include raised screen surround and camera bezel to guard against scratches, no slip grip surface, oversized tactile buttons, and partly made from recycled materials. Colors: clear/ash, olive drab, etc. What makes this stand out is the balance between strong drop protection plus transparency or visible design plus lighter weight compared to full armor cases. The CASEKOO magnetic stand case gives you strong protection plus a super useful built-in stand. It has a 360-degree spin ring stand or ring grip that folds flat when not in use. You get military-grade drop protection up to approximately 18 feet, raised edges around screen and camera, and MagSafe compatibility via a strong magnetic ring. The back is usually semi-matte or translucent so you can still see some of the phone's design, and the sides have anti-slip texture. What sets it apart is the Magic Stand ring. It works as a grip, stand, and holds firmly without adding too much bulk. The OHBOX Case gives solid all-round protection with shock-absorbing corners, raised edges around both screen and camera, and a non-slip surface for grip. It includes a fold-out stand built into the back so you can prop it up hands-free. The material is a mix of hard PC or acrylic back, plus flexible TPU sides to absorb impact. Color variants tend to be matte solids or slight texture finishes. What makes it special is the integrated stand that's sturdy enough for watching videos or video calls, plus strong protective features without being overly bulky. The Flipalm wallet case protects your phone with a folio design cover that has a soft PU leather outside and a shock-absorbing TPU inner shell. It includes card slots plus a slot for cash, with a magnetic flap that keeps everything safely closed. The folio front also doubles as a kickstand for hands-free viewing. Colors are classic, and inside the wallet cover there's RFID blocking lining to help protect card data. What makes it special is combining wallet functionality plus kickstand in one slim folio, so you carry less without losing utility. So, that's our list of 15 iPhone 17 Pro cases you can grab on Amazon. Whether you're after heavy-duty drop protection, a slim clear case to show off the phone, or something with a built-in stand or wallet, there's an option here for you. Pick the one that fits your style and daily needs, and keep your iPhone 17 Pro safe while looking sharp.